Hello dear students, myself Rahul Mishra and today we will discuss equivalent mass of a base. So what is equivalent mass of a base? It is the next topic of chapter number 3, atoms and molecules. So equivalent mass of a base is defined as the formula. So equivalent mass of a base, it is equal to molecular mass of a base divided by acidity of that base. It means when we divide molecular mass of a base to the acidity of that base, then we will find equivalent mass of that base. It means किसी बेस का इक्विवेलेंट मास उस बेस के मॉलिक्यूलर मास और बेसिसिटी और उस बेस की एसिडिटी को डिवाइड करने पर मिलता है. सो लिसन, सो व्हाट इज द equivalent mass of NaOH? So NaOH, we all know that NaOH is a base. So you have to calculate the equivalent mass of NaOH. हमें NaOH बेस का equivalent mass निकालना है. So equivalent mass of NaOH, it is equal to molecular mass of NaOH divided by acidity of NaOH. So what is the molecular mass of NaOH? It is the sum of the atomic mass of all the atoms present in the NaOH compound. So listen, atomic mass of Na is 23, atomic mass of oxygen is 16 and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So on adding, it will give the molecular mass of NaOH and it will be 40 gram. Now we will calculate the acidity of NaOH. We all know that NaOH give Na plus ion and OH minus ion. So acidity of NaOH, it is equal to number of OH minus ion obtained. So how many OH minus are obtained from NaOH? So it is 1. So number of NaOH obtained, it is equal to 1. So acidity of NaOH will be equal to 1. So now putting all these values into this formula, so equivalent mass of NaOH will become molecular mass of NaOH, it is 40 divided by acidity of NaOH, it is 1. So 40 by 1, it means 40 grams. So this is the equivalent mass of NaOH. Now second question is calculate the equivalent mass of CaOH का whole of twice. CaOH का whole of twice. This is calcium hydroxide and it is also a base. So equivalent mass of CaOH का whole of twice, it is equal to molecular mass of CaOH का whole of twice divided by acidity of CaOH का whole of twice. So what is the molecular mass of CaOH का whole of twice? It is equal to sum of atomic masses of all the elements present in the CaOH का whole of twice molecule. So it will be equal to Ca means 40 plus 2 into oxygen 16 plus 1, this is 34 and it is 40, it will be 74. Now we will calculate the acidity of CaOH का whole of twice. So CaOH का whole of twice, it will give Ca plus 2 ion plus 2 OH minus ion. So how many OH minus ion are obtained? It is 2. So acidity of CaOH का whole of twice, it is equal to number of OH minus ion obtained, and it is equal to 2. So listen, molecular mass of CaOH का whole of twice is 74. So listen, so equivalent mass of CaOH का whole of twice, it will become molecular mass of CaOH का whole of twice, it is 74 divided by acidity of CaOH का whole of twice, it is 2, and it is equal to 37 gram. So this is the equivalent mass of calcium hydroxide or CaOH का whole of twice.